There is still more functionality that shopping cart class needs, but first you need to be able to test the code you have currently written. You'll need to instantiate or to create a new shopping cart object and assign it to a variable. And we have here an example of instantiating of the computer class from earlier examples. In our case, we have to declare a cart variable and assign it to a new shopping cart object. Note the use of the new keyword when instantiating the object. Okay, we reference to our example where we write first the const and then the variable name would be the cart. And then assigning it to the keyword new to instantiate the object from the class. In our case, that would be the shopping cart. Shopping cart. And then parentheses. Nice.